What you're looking at here is going to change everything. This beautiful Chevelle is going to be ripped down to the bones and rebuilt from the ground up into something you haven't seen before. This is what we call our remanufactured car. Our approach is totally different. It's a restoration revelation. Oh yeah, you're going to love it. All right, here we go. Taking it apart. We're going to pull that engine and transmission out of that thing. And not only are we going to be replacing it in the remanufactured version of the car, we're going to be selling that 396 high horsepower output 1969 512 block. Yeah, reach out to us at studiohotrods.com. Send us an email. Tell us in the messages that you're interested in it, and we'll get back to you. Also, the transmission, the wheels, the tires, the rims, it's all got to go and get out of the way to make room for the latest technology. I've always said, if you love hot rods and muscle cars, man, you are going to love Studio Hot Rods, and this is the key to it. Technology changes everything. Oh, yeah. Everybody wants a cool hot rod, but when we do it right. This thing is built from the ground up with all new components. The chassis is modified, the engine's new, the transmission's new. Heck, we even offer it with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. I told you, this changes everything. So if you want to follow along, you can watch us on YouTube for the full videos, and we will explain exactly what we're doing and how we're going about doing it. Heck, I might even get you some parts if you need it. Yeah, the goal we started with was just to buy all the aftermarket components and put them on the car. Sounded good in principle, but we ran into a couple issues. So rather than just using what everybody makes, we took it to a whole new level. Here's some of the custom parts that we've made so far. The trans tunnel is universal. It actually fits the TKX, the 6-speed, and all the way up to the L80E. Nice, right? Also, we moved forward and built our own rear suspension dimension. Oh yeah, we actually built those QA1s at a bar that goes to the top of the chassis and unifies everything in the back. We actually even put in multiple mounting points for the shocks. I'll explain that to you on YouTube when you actually go through that episode. So if you dig what you're seeing here, you're going to want to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. My team is epic. It's awesome. We're not just building the Chevelle. We're building a beautiful John Wick style 1969 Mustang fastback with a Coyote motor in it. You can check that out. Also, we're doing an F85 like it's on steroids from 1963. It's cool. Lots of cool cars. Lots of great people at Studio Hot Rods, and you can check it out by subscribing and watching and following along, because each week we got a new episode coming out. So if you want to learn about the Chevelles, we got it. But if you want to see the coolest hot rod shop on the planet, you're going to want to tune in. Oh yeah.